Welcome, today I'm with Realme C25Y and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off the screen touches in screen recording. So first you should open the notification bar and right here find the screen record icon. Tap on this icon and now as you can see, we got here the show touches on screen section. Just to show your touches when you're recording something, tap here on the switcher to activate it, and if you wanna just turn it off, tap on the switcher again and tap to start recording your video. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.